Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from different parts of the world that you're watching me from. My name is Mr. Walewa, fondly called Mr. A by parents and students. I'm the founder of Fun Learning Math Center, an online center helping children and families to achieve their goals, their aspirations, the desires of the children by enrolling them in Fun Learning Math Center. I've been teaching for the past 12 years. And for the past 2 years, I've been strictly working with children around the world to help assess and progress their skills in maths. Not just maths, a few times with science. We help generally with their skills to make them super smart. And I'm happy to have you here. Kindly subscribe, share the link, and I'm here to help children around the world to assess their learning. And I'm doing this because I was once not so good at math. As a schoolboy, I once scored 2 over 100, and I prayed and tried and worked hard, hoping for a day to share this with other children, which I've been doing for the past 12 years. And I'm happy to have you here once again. On the screen is one of my students who has been with me for the past 2 years. And right now, he's topping the leaderboard of academics. Kitan is topping on top scores, most points, and correcting a row. He's just a year 3 boy, just clocked 8 a few days ago. And this is one of the achievements he's gotten when he's 8 right now. He made this to me, and I'm happy to share this with everybody around the world, with other students in Fun Learning who are equally giving their best before now to making sure they progress. Well done to all of you Fun Learning students all over the world. I'm really proud of you. Mr. A is really proud of you. Your parents are really proud of you. And I want to keep going, okay? Let's put yourself, put your country, put your school, above all, put your family, yourself in the good spot, okay? Anything is achievable, anything good, you can achieve it. So have the courage, have the zeal, be determined to achieve it, okay? I'll be sharing more videos with you as we move along. Sharing on YouTube, kindly subscribe and share with other students around. And I would like to share with this video. This was a picture of me back in the university days with my friends in OAU campus. This was another picture taken back then, so that you know that it's about progress. As I teach, I like students know that progress is key. You must reflect, you must see that you are progressing. And which is why I'm taking you back memory lane. This was myself with a colleague at Victoria University of South Africa back in 2015 for a training. And this was a picture of me when I was just 2 years into teaching. That was 2010. 2 years into teaching, 2 years, actually the year I started teaching, this was 2010, I started teaching 2010, after my NYC, which was in 2007. So I'm encouraging you as well as students, parents, let's trust our children, let's believe in them. Let's sell to them courage, determination. That is the trick, that is the goal, that is the way to excel at math and learning generally. Okay, I want to take a look at what Kitan did. This game is called the Space Race. So on the leaderboard, it compares students in Fun Learning or any student that subscribe to Arcademics with other children around the world, and they get to play like this and comes up as the top score. So there are many games. It's for children between the age of 5 up to the age of 16. It's a very powerful tool. And I want us to take a look at this together before we end the meeting together. So let's see this. If you want to play, just go to academicsgames.com/games/space race. This particular game is called Space Race. And every February, we have what we call the Academics Cup, which I will really appreciate if as many children as possible can join. So let's have Mr. A compete with other students around the world. You could create your own game, and you could also join other students around the world to play. So I'm waiting for anyone to create a game and I can just create one. It can be a public game, it can be a private game. If it's a private game, you click on create, you put a passcode, it could be with your friends, or it could be a public game like the one I'm doing right now. So I'm waiting for others to join. Let's see. In Fun Learning, while we're waiting for them to join, anyone to join, we do games, we do quizzes, we try and do lots of whiteboard activities just to encourage math talk. And okay, let's just start. Let's start with the computers and let's go. It's checking timetable skills. Okay, go for 6, we go for 8, we go for 5, 4. So it's checking quick mental skills. Quick mental skills. How fast can you think? How fluent are you with your skills? 24, 24, 40, 12, 56. So it's like that. I encourage students to try and build their speed, build their accuracy, the multitasking skills, 16. We do a lot of quick fire game like this to encourage them to love math. And if you really love math, to just sharpen your skills more. Okay, that is it. And you could also, so Mr. A is winner. You could also check some other games. It gives you your accuracy, your rates. If there are any missed questions, it pops up here. I didn't miss any question. And this is it, okay? It's all about determination. And Keaton was able to get all of this. And I have other students that have done something of this nature as well. When you play well like that, your name pops up with your tag, with your country flag, your points, your time, your stickers. This shows determination. For him to have gotten this, it shows time, invested in time, efforts, determination, zeal, which are the keys we need to excel with, okay? And the other games, it's for grade 1 all the way to grade 6. And it has other subjects. It has algebra, these are concepts. It has typing skills, geography skills, spelling skills that children can try out, not just maths. So it's a very powerful tool. I really want Fun Learning students or other children in the world to try it out. And it's really going to change you and make you better. So let's try another game. Let's try the integer games, which is for children in grade 6, okay? We have the integer WAP. So we've done something for Key Stage 1, 2. This is majorly for children in Key Stage 2. They deal with integers and those in middle school as well. Okay, when you join in, you can name it or use the name Mr. Wallawa or Mr. A. Just change it to a name you want. Let's try and wait for a private game, a public game first. If not, we'll go for a private game or either way. Like I said earlier on, this is where you put your passcode. Let's make it private game so we can use public 1, 2. Okay. Nobody will join because I haven't shared the code with anybody, but you can share with your cousins, with your friends in school, with your neighbors. Okay. So in Fun Learning, we share among ourselves. I compete with them from different countries. They join one-on-one, and we have a session together. Just finish down. So let's see. 2 times 3 will be -6. Oh, that was a mistake. Let's go. 6. This is -15. This is -7, -6, negative. This is +4. Minus times plus is minus, so it's -7. Minus times minus is plus, so it should be +16. This would be -14. This would be +9. This would be +24. So I'm multiplying the figures, and I'm also working with the signs as well. Don't forget, plus times plus is plus, which would be +14. This would be negative because negative times positive is negative. This would be -27 because 9 times 3 is 27. This would be -20 because plus times minus is negative. 4 times 1 is 4, plus is plus. Plus times minus times minus is plus, which would be +16. I need to win this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we wait for the feedback. Yay, Mr. Hay won it. Apart from the glitch earlier on, so it was 95%, just a question missed. And that is how it works, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, let's encourage the young ones. Young ones, don't give up on yourself, okay? So watch out for more videos to make you super smart in your math. All the best. Bye-bye.